Hello, and welcome to the Captain Data System. Today's tutorial is on how to log into the system for the first time, or how to reset your password. First, open a web page browser and enter captaindata.org into the URL menu bar. The Captain Data System works best on Firefox and Chrome. Next, on the landing homepage, click the Forgot Password link. Enter the email address associated with your account in the data system, then click Reset. You will see the green pop-up alerting you that an email has been sent to reset your password. Next, navigate to your email inbox and open the email from Captain or no reply at captaindata.org. Click the Reset Password link on the email. On the Captain Password Reset page, enter your new password. Make sure your password contains at least one uppercase letter, a number, and a special character. For your security, you will need to enter the password twice to ensure they match. Finally, click the Reset Password button. You should get a green pop-up when the password is successfully reset. You are now ready to log into the system using your email and the password you just created. If you don't know the email used to set up your new account, or the email you are entering does not work, please contact captain@marinschools.org for assistance. Thank you for watching.